Good morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. This morning my family and I are flying down to Wellington to celebrate our uncle's 80th birthday. Hi Parch! Here's us making our way to our gate and we're so late. What a beautiful weather this morning. Nice weather, it wasn't raining compared to what we had earlier this week. Flights were getting cancelled but we made it down here safely. This is what the airport looks like. They have a sign that looks like this. And come check out outside to wait for our Uber to pick us up. Here's our Uber picking us up. Honestly, this Tesla was so flash. You probably could tell that this was our first time in here. And you know, also like like the poor guy was like asking where we came from and stuff, but we were just too busy admiring his car. We even zoomed in on his like map thing as well too to see the cars that were driving next to us. And here's us making our way to pick up our van, and then we'll go back to the airport and pick up our fams. So come along with us and enjoy this birthday vlog and our weekend away in Masterton. We'll see you soon, fam. Picking up our car.
Dunia tene mazamu tenkozesa bintu bichamu segu ya mwanadamu kuba bamu muli bachamu muli bachamu mzeni wokubera nice oyagala opportunity nkuwaka chance wano dole ngulira chai owa matanga kuliko n'amajani waliwo abancunya mu biri ebizibu nga baagala ngwembe mu mirimu. See you right now, it's open. Wama tubale, wama tubale, wama tubale, wama tubale, wama tubale. Kuba kati yefa baliko, yefe value, yefe simple. Numa tubandi single, one day njokubela double. I want me do, let's do. Sigino choose as a kube munju. If you are not ready, ita manju. Bali to bali keba demu juju. Fetuliembo na suga na suju. Jokube vasinga zili mubire. Fata mwana muola boy to vimbe. Wama tubale, wama tubale. Wama tubale.
We're ready for a nap. We're just walking to accommodation now. Gonna take my sister home because she's holding the moment we got here. See you later, guys.
Chakalam, chakala, chakalam, chakala, chakalam, chakala, chakalam. No matter what, one respect today. Kwagala nyela sakala pasuleya. Tukata benji kushota ndi kulia. Steady, steady, steady. Ready, ready. Steady, steady, steady. Ready, ready. Nzene sitene mazamu. Tenkozesa bintu bichamu. Vaku mwanadamu. Abamu bachamu. I want me do, let's do. Sigino choose as a kube munju. If you are not ready, ita manju. Bali to bali keba demu juju. Fetuliembo na suga na suju. Jokube vasinga zili mubire. Fata mwana muola boy to vimbe. Wama tubale, wama tubale. Wama tubale, wama tubale. Why are you so bad?
We have made it to the birthday. I will be going inside to meet the rest of the fams and also just wait for the birthday boy to arrive. Come and check it out and see how they do it down in Masterton. Ah, tonight!
Pai le pola, le ava o le wheloa inga, le au manga ua tau li maina, le tau poa te umahiloa, iana te unga wha Samoa. Pati mapo mailoa, lau avalea tui mali e toa. Se mawhai lava o na ngalo Samoa I le tele o a Solo wanga nu whaalo alo E le maua I atunu I whaalo
Oh my god, he's always in my videos!
Le tau le alea e ata mai Le lima tau matau le a amatai Lo atunu o lo o sila sila mai Yang malu wenga malo whawhetai Se e maia Se e mai loa Le aunga whaapai Le tau sala Samoa Le aiuli So I tua file mu Vale solo fata upati mau susu
We are now coming to the end of our vlog. Grateful for our family in Masterton for hosting us, and thank you also for spending the weekend with us. It's been a fun weekend away with the fams, especially seeing the olds come together to celebrate their brother's 80th. Grateful that I was able to take along with my Penn family for a weekend away, banked in some memories, met some lovely people. But anyway, thank you for tuning in. Ba mahuta.
Vale